Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials so you don't stall later. Make sure HomeBase 3 is powered and updated, and your iPhone is on the same network with iCloud Home enabled. Once done, open the Eufy security app and sign into the same account controlling the base. Then navigate to the HomeBase 3 device page in the app and tap settings. This gets you into the menu where HomeKit integration lives, so you can move to the next actionable step right away. You now enable HomeKit inside the Eufy app, tap HomeKit integration and follow prompts. When the app asks, use your iPhone camera to scan the printed or on-screen HomeKit setup code, or type the 8-digit code if needed. Once scanned, assign the home and room, then set permissions for any shared users. Make sure to allow required camera and local network permissions so Home can control streams. After pairing, the Eufy base will appear in the Home app and report accessory status. You finish by opening the Home app to confirm the HomeBase 3 and cameras appear. Rename and organize them into rooms so automations work. Make sure remote access is enabled by having an Apple TV or HomePod set up on the same iCloud account as your iPhone. Test live view, recordings, and any automations. If something goes wrong, restart the HomeBase and your iPhone, recheck network and permissions, then rerun the HomeKit pairing. That simple restart solves most connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.